Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to PGK Government Jobs YouTube channel. If you are watching this YouTube channel first time, please subscribe this channel by clicking on red color button below this video. For latest videos on latest government jobs vacancies and government jobs notifications, please click on bell icon. If you subscribe and click on bell icon, then you will receive latest government jobs notifications from our YouTube channel PGK Government Jobs YouTube channel. Let's start our video. Friends, why I am making this video? So many friends and students called me and messaged me in WhatsApp and Gmail. Brother, please make a video about career guidance after 10th plus 2 graduation. How to get government jobs early. So many friends are asking me. I have made many videos on central and state government jobs on this jobs notifications. If you are not receiving the notifications, uh, this YouTube channel, please subscribe this YouTube channel and you will get notifications. I am preparing first video on career guidance because so many friends are asked me. So that's why I am preparing for this video. This video is very useful to you. Watch this video up to end. Okay friends, let's start our topic. Today's our topic career guidance first step. What subjects, what courses we can take after SSC or 10th class. After secondary school certificate SSC or 10th class, what subjects we can take. If you observe this slide, there are two options after 10th class. Broadly, I classified. First classification. This classification, this tree diagram is very useful to you. The first step after 10th class that you can take the education step, otherwise you can take jobs, but I am suggesting you after 10th class you you may go higher education, that is very useful to your career. In education we can take three routes, or we have three opportunities. The first opportunity, you can choose diploma course. The second opportunity, you can choose ITI course. The third opportunity, you can choose 12th or plus 2 or intermediate. These three opportunities are available for recently passed 10th class. If you already passed 10th class, 12th class graduation, already you are preparing for government jobs, this video you can watch up to end. After that you can make an idea. After your, you can teach to your juniors and your friends and your relatives. So this video last I can share how to prepare government jobs, how we we can get government jobs with 10th class qualification. So that's why please watch up to end this video. coming to point, if you take diploma, if you take diploma course, management is the first priority. First is the management. In this management, there are several courses, several types: business admin, hotel management, and catering, etc. The second diploma courses are designing related, fine arts, fashion tech, multimedia, animation, interior design, textile tech, ceramic tech. So, friends, these are the design related courses after 10th class. The third opportunities in diploma, general diplomas. These general diplomas: agriculture, beauty care, cosmetology, commercial practice, etc. These are management, design related, and general. These all categories are non engineering courses. After that, coming to engineering related, these are the engineering related courses: the mechanical engineering diploma, and in some parts of India we can call polytechnic. This diploma called polytechnic. In this engineering branches, many branches are there: mechanical, civil, electrical, computer, aeronautical, electronics, automobile, chemical, software, biomedical, etc. Coming to next point, if you do not interest in diploma, you can take ITI courses. These ITI courses are also, there are two types. One is the non engineering related courses and engineering related courses. Non engineering related courses: cutting and sewing, data entry operator, etc. Engineering related: electrician, mechanical, plumber, fitter. If you are know more details about these courses, you can pause this video and read this entire courses. And also, further videos I can upload more details. This video only for basics after 10th class, which courses we can do. The third option, plus 2 or intermediate or 12th class. In 12th class, there are three types are available: 12th in science backgrounds and commerce and arts. If you are interested in science, you can take PCM. In some parts of India, this course also called MPC, physics, chemistry, maths, or maths, physics, chemistry. If you take this PCM, you can go to engineering courses. And PCMB, physics, chemistry, maths, biology. These are the combination of maths and biology, physics, chemistry. And third course, PCB, physics, chemistry, biology. If you are going to doctor, you can take PCB. And coming to commerce course, this is commerce. If you are not interested in science, you can take commerce. CEC, commerce, economics, civics. MEC, maths, economics, commerce. You can take this commerce course. If you take commerce course, you can go to CA, chartered accountant, bank management, etc. 12th in arts, fine arts, political science. If you are not interested in science and commerce, you can take arts. These are the three important available opportunities. After 10th class, if you can continue higher educations, that is the first diploma, next option ITI, and plus 2 intermediate. I can suggest you can go to intermediate because higher studies are available in after plus 2. So if you are interested in science backgrounds, you can take PCM, PCMB, PCB. So I can suggest these three courses. Any courses, all courses are great opportunities. But why, how you are seeing, that is very important. Main thing, in what subjects, which subjects you are interesting, that is most important. If you cannot interested in education, you can go to jobs in after 10th class. Many government jobs are available. SSC staff selection commissions, data entry operators, branch post officer, government clerks, assistants, technicians, soldiers, constables, LIC agents, life insurance corporation, army, navy, air force, ministry of defense, MTS, multitasking posts, and bank and clerical exams, and railway group D exams, and certificate courses also available. Friends, this is the basic structure, basic tree diagram of courses career guidance after 10th class. Friends, I would like to tell more thing about these three types of courses: ITI and diploma, third one plus 2. Who can take ITI? Industrial Training Institute. This a special training program to enhance skill in a particular field. Right after the course, the student can get skilled jobs, but the jobs are not high paying and so recommended to take 12th junior plus 2. This ITI duration is the 3 months, minimum 3 months, maximum 2 years. Eligibility 8th to 12th class pass. This course is best for those who cannot spend much money for their education, who wants to get job very soon, and for those who could not get marks in studies but wants to learn some skills. This is the very good opportunity for that type of students. Diploma or polytechnic, this is the course uh, after 10th class. Eligibility 10th class pass, duration 1 to 3 years. This course is best for those who need the knowledge of engineering but cannot bear the high fees of degree like engineering, and who wish to get free knowledge of particular course. These 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 students are very suitable for diploma course. And finally, intermediate, in plus 2, science, commerce, arts. These three are major groups in 12th class: PCM or MPC, PCMB or MBPC, PCB or BIPC, or commerce or arts. These are available courses after 10th. This is the basic structure career guidance after 10th class. In coming videos, we can explanation more after 12th class, after graduation, and also government jobs. Uh, Already I told in this video last, I have to tell, I would like to tell about government jobs, 10th class, 10th class qualification. Speedily, I will explain which types of government jobs are available. Jobs for 12th class students, plus 2 pass students, and also these some jobs are available 10th class students also. I will explain what are they. These 12th class jobs: data entry, computer operators, assistants, and government clerks. These all are 12th class jobs. And 10th class qualification jobs, these group C posts: technical, tradesman, assistant nurse, multitasking staff, military, soldiers, constables, ordinary factory, watchman, SSC, stenographer, LIC agents, peon, draftsman. These all are 12th class and 10th class qualification jobs. If you want to know more about government jobs, please subscribe this channel and please click on bell icon. You will receive recent government jobs notifications. In open playlist, government jobs notification playlist, there are more notifications I have uploaded. You can watch that notifications. You can follow this YouTube channel for getting the more career guidance and more government jobs notifications. Thank you friends. We will meet in next video for latest government jobs notifications and latest courses career guidance. All the best friends.